It is a privilege for Competences Factory to be the part of engineering education in India. Over a year, we have engaged with 60 plus sector-specific training programs at various engineering colleges and universities in India. We are glad to see the keen interest from academicians to engage with industries for developing the curriculum, to co-deliver with industry experts, and to engage in research projects. I'm Suraj, founder and CEO at Competences Factory Private Limited. I and my team at Competences Factory have been engaged in technical education for 5+ years to bridge the industry and academia. Objective to create better employment opportunities for fresh engineering graduates through our training programs and to support industry to get skilled and deployable resources. In the past engagements with technical institutions, we have come across many difficulties faced by academicians to find the right technical resources and domain experts from the industry for the academic association. Our team at Competences Factory has set forth a platform called Industry Academics as a solution to bring the industry professionals for collaborative teaching at universities and colleges. The objective of Industry Academics is to support technical universities and colleges in India to build a robust curriculum for the industry needs. We agree upon that most of the curriculum delivered today are being offset from the needed industry and lack to follow the scale of tech growth. We are addressing this by creating the subjects which are domain-specific training for skills at the need of hour in the industry and for job market. Having the good subject as a part of the curriculum won't just serve the purpose. We require well-qualified experts who can deliver it. Under the Industry Academics, CF has gathered the panel of domain experts and consultants with 15+ years of industry experience, so ensuring the quality of teaching with real-time exposure and with the wisdom of work experience. To create the right exposure and to get hold on subject, courses delivered under Industry Academics are always taught by utilizing practical and project-based training methodology. So curriculum is a blend of theory and a hands-on practice which will engage the learners. We meant the course delivery with live industry interaction, where our students can take a visit to industry, talk to people on the production line, interact with engineers, and realize the importance of course they're undergoing and where their career is going to be. Jobs are being the major goal we all study for. Our courses themselves are designed to meet the job market. CF will reinforce the students to career paths by the successful course completion. By hiring the skilled and prepared candidates, industry will gain the large benefit to save time and money spent on pre- and post-hiring. Under the support from institution, CF will set up micro labs which are subject-specific and match with the course content for learning, which can largely benefit the learner to gain more exposure. Here is the list of subjects which are readily available for implementation under Industry Academics: Automotive Plastics, Automotive BIW and Seating System, Automotive CAE, Automotive Embedded Systems, Geometrical Dimension and Tolerancing and Stack-up Analysis, Engine Management System, EV Powertrain Systems, and Industrial IoT. Highlighting the automotive sectors as our core expertise, we are parallelly developing more subjects to nudge other sector needs. As good as our courses, we have an amazing team of experts, consultants, and industry partners to deliver the courses at your institution, which will create ample exposure and employment opportunities for your students. Our subject matter experts are very keen to teach and engage students for learning, and teaching is our passion. If your institution would like to engage with Industry Academics, choose the course from the list or request us a new course you want us to engage. All the courses will have a cost of engagement and understanding for operations. Get in touch with us over an email or the call for detailed discussions. Let's bring an action into place to bridge industry and academics. Thank you.